Morning light spills soft across the floor. Coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I'd missed my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have, right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present, I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a truth. I was searching for more, found it in you.
Walking past the old bakery, the morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories sweet. Presence lingers incomplete. The flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. But now each breath, the summer air, leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets. Ghosts I chase but cannot meet. Through alleyways and memories sweet. Presence linger, incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar. The emptiest trees at night, but this time I let it pass me by.
There was a mile marker bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon. And something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new, but there it was breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you, didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outrule. Yeah, it found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears, and in that moment something shifted you. I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise and fears. Maybe it followed every turn you made, till the silence opened just enough space, and it played like it knew your name. Never says it, but it feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through, lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you, no need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Radio fading, but I still hear it move, like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue, just the song that found you.
Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams go by in a soft embrace, whisper whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through.